He briefly locks eyes with a pigeon. It looks back inquisitively. Pigeons dream too.
Hey, mister!
A stray kick sends the kid's soccer ball on an arc which will connect it forcefully with Morpheus's head. His eyes stare blankly, but he lazily raises his left arm and he catches it.
That was a killer catch, man. Totally wicked. Can I have the ball back?
Oh, this? Here.
Thanks. You want to play ball?
No, thank you. I am feeding the pigeons.
That's cool. All right, you guys, let's change ends.
What are you doing?
The girl looks young, somewhere between 15 and 18 years of age. She is pale and skinny, with a tumbling mass of black hair. Her lips are pale, her eyeliner is black, and she wears a black camisole top with skinny black jeans, black soft boots, and a silver ankh on a chain around her neck. She could be a waitress in a pancake house. Morpheus ignores her.
I said, what are you doing?
Feeding the pigeons.
You do that too much, you know what you get. Fat pigeons! That's a line from Mary Poppins. Love that movie. You ever seen it?
No.
There's this guy who's utterly a banker, and he doesn't have time for his family or for living or anything. And Mary Poppins, she comes down from the clouds and she shows him what's important. Fun, flying kites, all that stuff. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
What?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. What, Mama? Utterly fantabulous word, huh? It means, great, wonderful, ginchy, gnarly, peachy keen.